Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. We have seen lots of leaks about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy new flagship S20 lineup. But today we see some live confirmed images of the upcoming Galaxy S20 lineup and the pricing of the upcoming S20 lineup. First of all, we're talking about the live images of the Galaxy S20 Ultra and the camera setup of the Galaxy S20 Plus Picture 2. Samsung is having an extra next week where we'll see the S20 lineup in the flash or rather stainless steel. Yes, 6 days ahead of the launch, we already have the first live image of the Galaxy S20 Ultra and the Galaxy S20 Plus, as you can see on your screen, and they are exactly as the previous leak picture it. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra will have a huge rectangular on the back, as you can see, almost half as wide as the phone itself, where we see the periscope shooter accompanied by three more snappers, a microphone, an LED flash, and another sensor under the protective glass. If we trust the rumors so far, we are looking at 108 megapixel main shooter with an house ISOCELL bright HMX sensor, a 48 megapixel periscope telephoto unit that will provide 10x optical zoom and 100x hybrid zoom, an ultra wide angle shooter, and a 64 megapixel snapper that will bright the gap between the regular and telephoto modules. A separate source gave us another leaked image which include the S20 Ultra and the S20 Plus. The latter will sport a TOF sensor in the Plus generation. The other three are likely to the regular 12 megapixel, 64 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra wide angles camera. So this is the some live images of the Galaxy S20 Ultra and the Galaxy S20 Plus. Now moving to the price section of this upcoming Galaxy S20 lineup. The Galaxy S20 lineup in new leaks has revealed the USA price of Samsung upcoming flagships. According to the inside source, the Galaxy S20 lineup will start from $999 for the S20 and will go all the way to $1,399 for the bigger variant of the Galaxy S20, the Ultra version, while the mid-size S20 Plus is expected of a price of $1,199. Keep in mind that these are the price for the LTE model, which is the 4G, as there still no word on the price of the 5G models. John Prosser tweet about the upcoming Galaxy S20 lineup. He says, okay, last price update for me confirmed by source from Samsung. The Galaxy S20, the USA pricing, the S20 starting price is $999, the S20 Plus price is the $1,199, and the Ultra has a $1,399. By the way, the S20 lineup of the UK pricing is which is starting the 4G of the S20 starting at around €800, €875 for the 5G version, and the S20 Plus is expected to price of the 1000 for its 4G and €1075 for the 5G model. The S20 Ultra on the other hand is expected to come with a 1145 with 5G as a standard. The Galaxy S20 family goes officially next week on February 11, so we will know more detail then. So guys, let me know your thought in the comment section. Will you buy this upcoming S20 lineup, the S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra? So let me know your thought in the comment section, and if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.